So if you're asked to balance this equation, we have V2O5 plus HCl. Here's how you do it. Let's first count the atoms up, then we'll balance the equation. 2 of these vanadium atoms, 5 oxygens, 1 hydrogen, and 1 chlorine. On the product side, we have the 1, then we have oxygens 1, but be careful because there's a 1 right here in the water. People often forget that, causes a lot of problems. For hydrogen, we have 2 of those, and then we have 3 chlorines. So once we've done this, we can balance the equation. I'd like to leave the oxygens till last. That's usually a pretty good strategy. Might as well start out with the vanadium. If we put a 2 here, 1 times 2, that'll give us 2 of those. But that would change also the oxygen and the chlorine atoms. For oxygen, we have 1 times the 2, that's the 2 plus the 1 right here. So we have 3 oxygens. Chlorines, we have the 2 times the 3. So put that there, we have 6 of those. Why don't we balance the chlorines next? Because if we put a 6 in front of the HCl, that's going to change the hydrogen quite a bit. So if we put a 6 in front of HCl, 1 times 6, that'll balance the chlorine atoms. 1 times 6, that gives us 6 hydrogens. But now we could put a 3 in front of the water, 2 times 3, that would give us 6 hydrogens. We do need to update the oxygen atoms. So we have our 1 times 2 plus our 1 times 3, and that gives us a total of 5. We're done. This equation is balanced. Really the trick here, leave that oxygen till last. Usually when you do that, it makes balancing a little bit easier. This is Dr. B with the balanced equation for V2O5 plus HCl, vanadium 5 oxide plus hydrochloric acid. Thanks for watching.